Namaskar, I am Dr. Smita Naram, and helping you to improve your quality of life is my purpose of life. And today I am going to speak to you about hyperactive thyroid or hypothyroidism. This is becoming so common nowadays that all over the world it's spreading like an epidemic. And people take thyroid medication for practically whole of their life. And sometimes they begin with a small dose and the dose increases every couple of months or every couple of years, and they end up taking highest level of dose, and still they have lot of symptoms of thyroidism like bloated, excessive weight, tiredness, sometimes feeling sadness or gases, etc., etc. So today what I am going to share with you is something that we have tried all over the world with thousands and thousands of people in last 32 years. In this, first of all, if you have thyroid, stop eating everything which has gluten, dairy and carbohydrates particularly. So focus on having a diet which is more protein and vegetable based, and stay away from carbs like grains, potatoes, even fruits sometimes can be very carby, and sugar. These are the things that you must stay away completely. Along with that, do this home remedy every day for whole of your life. 1 teaspoonful of turmeric powder, or if you can find fresh turmeric, take 1 tablespoon of fresh turmeric paste. Add 1 teaspoonful of coconut oil and 1/4 teaspoonful of black pepper powder. Mix it together and take it on empty stomach in the morning. And also if you have too much problem, you can even take it at night. With that, every day do Anulom Vilom Pranayam for 10 minutes. So Anulom Vilom is alternate nostril breathing. So you can breathe in from the right nostril, then close, then breathe out from the left nostril. Then breathe in, close, and breathe out from right nostril. And do this pranayam 10 minutes every day. Trust me, if you do this along with your medication that you are taking, it will stabilize your thyroid. If it's just the beginning of thyroid condition or pre-thyroid, like TSH is high, T3, T4 is normal, and you start this program, you will not have to take thyroid medication. It will remain there and slowly TSH will come in the normal range again. But you have to remember, do it for whole of your life. So friends, stay healthy and happy. I will keep coming to you with such simple, proven health wisdoms constantly. See you again next time.